Hello, great people. You are welcome to the delicious kitchen. Join me. Let us cook this delicious Omi Obe. This is tomato stew. It's quite different from fried stew. You are going to love it. If you'll be rocking amala, eba, pounded yam, or any swallow, this is the best stew for your okra, ewedu, or vegetable soup. So let us wash our assorted meat we'll be using today. I have beef, cow leg, and pomo. And if you can see the cow skin, it has to be really well washed. When they are stubborn, you can use your brush, wash it with salt, and they will come out clean like this. So after washing it, it's now time to add some salt into it. I'll be adding diced onion now. That is diced garlic. I'll be adding it into it. And those are the herbs I'll be using today. I have ginger powder there. That is curry, seasoning cube, oregano, thyme. That is bay leaf. Now it's time to add all those ingredients into the meat. So I'm adding the seasoning cube now, crush it into it, add some water and cover and bring to boil. Please don't forget to be opening your meat, stirring occasionally till they get done. Okay, don't let your meat get burned. So at this stage, I will be removing all the beef inside. The beef are already done. They are already done to my taste. I love it this way. They are tender enough. But those ones remaining there, the cow leg and cow skin, are still very tough. So I'm still going to cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, I'll be removing them now. The cow skin is okay, but the cow leg are still a little bit tough. So now get a pot, pour some vegetable oil into it, add sliced onion, fry for about 2 minutes, and it's now time to get your blended bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, habanero pepper, add it to the vegetable oil. So I'll be adding those cow legs direct now into the pepper mix. They are going to start to boil together from the beginning because they are still tough. So I will be boiling it under low to medium heat for about 35 minutes. Be stirring occasionally. Okay, so now it's okay, a little bit better. So I'll be adding some meat stock into it now, and that is my seasoning cube. I'm adding seasoning cube, salt, rosemary. Stir very well. Shout out to Ayobamidele Sonny. Thanks for liking our recipes. I've just added curry. Now I'll cover and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's now time to check it. Please kindly leave a comment. You might be the next person I'll be giving a shout out to on my next video. Thank you. So now it's time to add all the boiled meat into it. Now stir together very well. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. So after that, our Omi Obe is done. Do you have ewedu, okra, or vegetable, or even rice? You're going to love this. Try it with bread. You will thank me. Enjoy this mama put soup and you thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.